Do SC batteries. Okay, SC Wuling batteries. First, here are the materials you will need. Pause the video if you need to. Alright, let's get started. First, let's make a simple Ferium powder production near the AIC. You can do that by taking a refining unit, place it here, facing to the right, a shredding unit facing to the left, turn off the water mode, make sure to input Ferium, and then connect it like this. Don't forget to power with a pylon. Now let's do the Xircon part. Now for the Xircon part, take your reactor crucible, face it to the left, make sure there's 2 spaces away from the depot node, and then place another one on the right with 2 spaces in between as well. Place another set below here with 1 space in between. Another one on the bottom here, aligned like this, with 1 space as well. Now, take your water treatment unit. The opening is on the top. Place it like this. Make sure there's 1 space here. Another one here on the right, with the opening on the top as well. Now take your protocol stash and face it to the left. Align it with the water treatment unit. Now, let's put the depot unloaders. For this one, make sure to place it over here. Another one next to it. Make sure there's 2 spaces. And then the last one goes here. Now, let's put Shearnite, Ferium powder, and Shearnite. Connect the Shearnite to the crucibles in front of it. The Ferium powder goes through here, go to the right, go down, and straight to the crucible on the last part. Now, take your pipe splitters from logistics, place it over here facing to the right, another one over here facing to the right. Now, over here on the bottom, take a pipe converger facing downwards, connected to the reactor crucible. Now take a water source, connect it straight to these ones, another one over here. This needs at least 1 fluid pump. Now take a sewage source, connect it to the second set of reactor crucible, the one on the left. Now for the inner parts, this one and this one, just connect it straight like this. Now, this reactor crucible connects straight like this. This one goes to the converger, this one goes to the converger as well, and this one to the treatment unit. Now, this reactor crucible on the last part needs to output sewage back here, click here, and then connect it right here. Now, this reactor crucible will output liquid over here. But first we need to power it. Make sure to put a pylon right here where it can power all the buildings. Now, over here, output liquid Shearnite on the pipe we are using. Same for the left side. Nope, this one. And then for the second set, make sure to output the inert one on the one going to the water treatment unit. There we go. Now for the one going to the reactor crucible, make sure to output the usable Xircon effluent. But for now, we can't use the right one. We need to activate this one first. For the output of this one, make sure to choose Xircon. And then for the pipe you are using, output sewage. Now after you output sewage, make sure to go here on the middle one on the right. This will now make effluent. There we go. Make sure to output the appropriate ones. This one will output the inert to go to the water treatment. And then this one will also output Xircon effluent on the middle. Don't forget to connect it. And that will make Xircon for you. Now let's go make the batteries. Now for the second part, make sure to put down 6 depot unloaders. There we go. And then output from left to right, 2 originium, 1 sand leaf, 2 originium again, and then Xircon. There we go. Now, copy the first 5 from left. Copy it to the right. There we go. Now, take 10 shredding units and then place them in front of the depot unloaders. Make sure to offset by 1, like this. Place down 5 first. Make sure to leave 1 space here for the Xircon to go straight later. And then make sure to put another 5 on the right. Now, take a grinding unit, place it over here, offset by 1 again. Make sure to leave 2 spaces here, and then 1 space here, and then 2 spaces in here. Now, take a packaging unit, place it anywhere over here or here. Place a protocol stash over here next to it, facing upwards. Make sure to power with a pylon over here and over here. Now let's connect the belts. Now the sand leaf goes to each grinding unit, 2 per shredding unit. There we go. And then connect the packaging unit to the protocol stash, don't forget. And now this should be making batteries 6 per minute. Anyways, that will be all. Goodbye. If you find that helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.